Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app. Now select Allow and click on this blue button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And in order to end it and save it, on the right one. Now you can play your recording by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it. Click on Rename at the bottom in the middle and type in wherever you wish to. Then select OK in the pop-up. If you want to get rid of it instead, hold it again. But this time click on this bin at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!